Hey everyone, Aaron here, Fast Forward Race Cars. Hey, I know it's been a few weeks and we haven't done any videos, man. It's because we've been busy with some other things, but we finally took some time and we did a little bit of work to the Nova. And I want to show you guys, just do a quick video here, show you what we've done. Basically, we got the firewall finished. Marty finished it up. All the panels are done. We just have to put the beads in the center part, which I'm going to show you here in a bit. And then the tunnels for the ladder bars, them are all finished. They're all welded up. And then also too, we got the dash back in it. I don't know if you remember from one of the first videos, I replaced the top portion of the dash, and then it was rusty underneath that. And then actually Marty cut out all the rust and made it really, really nice. You couldn't even tell before we put the dash back in. But we'll take a walk around and show you on the inside what it looks like. So this is it, man. So that's the rear firewall. Even though that I'm going to have the back seat in it until then, it's going to look nice. You know, I'll have those probably powder coated, and until I have the seat frame modified, which I'll do, I'll cut the frame and I'll make it go around this and notch it for this tub. And you shouldn't be able to see any of this when the seats are in. Of course, this will be sticking up, but you know, I'll carpet around that. But as you can see here, these are all finished too. These tunnels for the ladder bars, we can have the car as low as possible, basically to the lowest setting, and the ladder bar will not touch. So that's what's nice about that. And then the next thing we did, we did the dash. So the dash is all welded in. The only thing left on the dash is the corners. We will make pieces and we'll weld it in, we'll smooth it out, and you won't even tell that we cut it when it's all said and done. Another thing, you can see how the dash bar is in there. You know, way early on when we were designing the cage, you know, we bent that and we knew how we wanted to do that because we've done these cars several times, you know, more than several. We've done Novas a lot over the years. But that's all tucked away real nice. When the car is all assembled, you won't even see that. The only thing really left before we paint, I got to do the seatbelt mounts, and I got to finish welding these bars in. The little bit of welding underneath that I got to do, and a safety loop. Other than that, man, that's pretty much it. I know in earlier videos I talked about that I was going to put on the rotisserie and we were going to paint it here, but now because it's getting late in the year and it's getting cold, I'll probably talk to one of my buddies. I got several buddies that got paint shops, and a few of them has offered me to use their paint booth. So I'll either do it there. Me and Marty will either paint it there, or I'll just have them paint it. But the goal is now, since I didn't get it out this year, I'll just get it painted over the winter months and get it assembled, and she'll be ready for next year. As you guys know, I have that nitrous engine all ready to go for this thing, but I have a couple other engine combinations as well. And we'll see after it's all painted and assembled. Maybe I'll make a change and we'll do another video on that if I change my mind. But so yeah, that's that. And another thing I'm actually going to do is I am going to take the wheels, the tires off the wheels. I got the 29 10.5 slicks on it, and I'm going to put the 28 slicks on because most of the racing around here requires a 28 slick. And so I'm gonna put that on, and the car is gonna set even lower, which is gonna be nice. But when I originally, you know, started building the car, I wanted to be able to put a 29 on it, and that's why, you know, we made the tubs the size they are and whatnot. Because if I ever decide to race something that allows a 29, I want to be able to fit it on the car. I was gonna show you guys later, but I want to show you now. Basically, what I'm gonna do, I bought these dog dish hubcaps, and I got them on eBay, and these things are mint shape. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a mounting plate, and I'm gonna mount these on here. You know, so I've seen several guys do this, and it looks real cool. It makes these look like steel wheels, like the stock steel wheel, but it's wide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the wheel powder coated, and then I will make the ring, and I'll have that mounted on. So this will look like old school steel wheel with hubcaps, and I'm going to do that to the front too. So to keep it that sleeperish look, which is what I want with the car, even though it's as far from that. But I don't know. There's just a little touch I wanted to show you guys, and let me know what you guys think. So that's it, man. It's been a few weeks since we did a video, and apologize for that, but we're getting real close here, and it's coming out real nice. I'm real happy with the way it's turning out. But pretty soon here, she'll be back on its wheels, and we'll be putting the engine in for the final time. But that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching, and and making comments and questions. I appreciate that, and we'll just keep rocking on it, and we'll do another one. See you on the next one.